Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we will know how to represent the decimal numbers on the number line. Okay, so first of all, I have taken one decimal number, suppose 0.8, and this number suppose we have to represent on the number line. So how to represent it? Okay, so first of all, what is the first work to represent this number on the number line? First of all, you have to check that this number is lying between which two whole numbers. First step is what? You have to check this number is lying between which two whole numbers. So clearly we can tell this number is lying between 0 and 1. How we can tell that this number is lying between 0 and 1? If any number is there which is in the form 0 point something, suppose 0 point anything, 0 point anything, this type of number will lie between always 0 and 1. Okay, suppose 2.1, this number always will lie between 2 and 3. Okay, suppose 3.5, this number always lie between 3 and 4. So how we are taking this range? Try to understand. Whenever you are having 0.8 suppose, then this number will lie between this one 0, and after 0 which one will come? 1. So this number will lie between 0 and 1. Okay, suppose here 2.1 will lie between 2 and 3. And how did you check it? How do you check it? So 2.1 will lie between, first of all you have to take this number 2, and after 2 it will come which whole number? 3. So it will lie between 2 and 3. Clear? Suppose here 3.5 will lie between 3 and 4. How? You have to take first 3, and after 3 which whole number will come? 4. So it will lie between 3.5 will lie between 3 and 4. Suppose 8.12 will lie between which two whole numbers? First of all you have to take 8, this one, and after 8 it will come 9. That means this number will lie between 8 and 9. Suppose 123.5 will lie between which two whole numbers? It will lie between, so first of all 123, and after 123 it will come 124. That means this number will lie between 123 and 124. Like this way you have to find out that the given number, decimal number, will lie between which two whole numbers. Clear? This is the way. So clearly we can tell what? 0.8 is lying between 0 and 1. So 0 and 1 means we will make the distance only 0 to 1. We will make the distance from 0 to 1 only, because this number will lie between 0 and 1. Clear? So what is the next step? The next step, you have to divide the distance from 0 to 1 into 10 equal parts. Clear? From 0 to 1, this distance you have to divide into 10 equal parts. 10 equal parts में divide करना है. So we have to make 10 equal parts. That means how many times we have to cut it? 9 times. 10 equal part करना है तो उसको 9 times cut करेंगे. 2 equal part करना है. Suppose this is a rope and we have to make 2 pieces. So how many times you have to cut? 1 time only. Clear? So like this way we have to make 10 equal parts. So how many times you have to cut it? 9 times, and 9 times should be equal. Okay, try to make equal. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Clear? Suppose 9. And so first you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times we have cut. And after cutting 9 times, you can see you have got 10 pieces. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8, 9, 10 pieces. 10 parts also. Okay? Now name of the first part. This one will be what? 0.1. This one will be what? 0.2. this one 0.3. And how did you think, how did you get 0.1? Here it is 0. So after 1, I mean after 0, first one will be 0.1. Okay, and after 2, after 0, second one will be 0.2. After 0, third one will be 0.3. Then after it 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9 and 0.9, and after that it will 1. 0.9, then after that it will be 1. How? Suppose 0.9, then after that 0.10, and 0.10 means it will be 1. Okay, 0.10 means it will be 1. So not only this one, not only for 0.8. Suppose you are having, okay, let me complete it first. Now we have to represent for 0.8. Now where is 0.8? Here. So this is 0.8, and this is the representation. This is the representation of 0.8 on the number line, and you have to take like this. This is necessary. This arrow sign is necessary because this number line is not having the starting point and not having the ending point, so that you have to take the arrow sign. It is mandatory to take. Okay. Now suppose we are taking another example. Suppose 4.5. Here I have taken 0.8. Now I am taking suppose 4.5. This number we have to show on the number line. So here also should we make 10 equal parts? It is the main question. सर यहाँ पे भी क्या 10 इक्वल पार्ट्स करना पड़ेगा? यहाँ पे तो 10 इक्वल पार्ट्स किए, तो यहाँ पे भी करना पड़ेगा, यहाँ पे 8 करना पड़ेगा या 9 करना पड़ेगा या फिर 5 करना पड़ेगा? तो और एक एग्जांपल इसलिए देख लेते हैं. सपोज 4.5. सो व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट वर्क दैट वी हैव टू चेक? 4.5 इज लाइंग बिटवीन व्हिच टू होल नंबर्स? 4.5 कौन सा दो होल नंबर के बीच में लाई कर रहा है, ये पहले ढूंढना पड़ेगा. तो 4.5 ऑलरेडी मैंने स्टार्टिंग में एक तरीका बोले थे कि 4.5 किस दोनों नंबर के बीच में लाई करेगा. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू टेक दिस वन, बिफोर पॉइंट जो है वो लेना पड़ेगा 4, एंड आफ्टर 4 which whole number will come? 5. That means 4.5 will lie between 4 and 5. Clear? 4.5 will lie between 4 and 5. And naturally also we can tell, naturally हम लोग ये बोल सकते कि 4.5, ये 4.5 means what? 4.5. तो 4.5 जो होगा वो 4 से 5 के बीच में ही रहेगा. Clear? So 4.5 is lying between 4 and 5. That means this number 4.5 is lying between 4 and 5. That means we have to make the portion of 4 and 5 only. यहाँ पे जैसे 0 and 1 था, तो यहाँ पे 0 से 1 के बीच में बनाए, तो यहाँ पे किसके बीच में है? 4 और 5 के बीच में. तो यहाँ पे 4 और 5 के लिए बनाएंगे सिर्फ. क्लियर? कैसे? Suppose this one 4, suppose this one 5. Clear? Here arrow sign, here arrow. तो 5 के बाद उधर arrow means सब numbers हैं, इधर 4 के इधर में arrow means इधर भी numbers हैं. 0 इधर है, लिखे नहीं 0. Clear? So now 4 to 5. Now what is the next step? We have to make 4 to 5 this distance into 10 equal parts. जैसे यहाँ पे गए थे, यहाँ पे 10 इक्वल पार्ट्स किए थे, यहाँ पे भी करना पड़ेगा. हाँ, सिर्फ इन दोनों के लिए नहीं, सबके लिए करना पड़ेगा 10 इक्वल पार्ट्स. सबके लिए कुछ भी रहे 10 इक्वल पार्ट्स करना पड़ेगा. क्लियर? सो 4 to 5 this distance we have to make 10 equal parts. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. We have to make 10 equal parts. That means how many times you have to cut? 9 times. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 times you have cut it, then you have got 10 equal parts. Okay, so first part will be what? Here first part after 0, first part was what? 0, after 0 it will be 0.1. So first part after 4 it will be 4.1. Then second one will be 4.2. Clear? Third one will be 4.3, 4.4. Okay, 4.5, 4.6, 4.7, 4.8, 4.9. Then after 4.9 directly it will come what? 5. Here after 4.9 directly it will come 5. Directly. Clear? So these are the explanation. These are the explanation of the decimal numbers. How to decimal numbers represent, okay, on the number line. So I had given the example only one decimal place. I had given the example, you can see only one decimal place. One decimal place means जब पॉइंट के बाद एक ही डिजिट रहता है तब उसको वन डेसिमल प्लेस कहा जाता है. यहाँ पे देखो दोनों नंबर में पॉइंट के बाद एक ही डिजिट है, इसीलिए ऐसे किए हैं. अब देखेंगे जहां पे 2 डेसिमल प्लेसेस है या फिर 3 डेसिमल प्लेसेस है या फिर उससे ज्यादा है तो वहां पे क्या कर सकते हैं. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल पॉज द वीडियो टू नोट इट डाउन, देन वी विल गो फॉरवर्ड. नाउ वी विल नो हाउ टू represent the 2 decimal places number on the number line. So suppose I'm taking one number 3.81. Suppose this number we have to represent on the number line, and you can see this is the 2 decimal places number. Wherever after point you are having 2 digit, that means it is a 2 decimal places number. So how to represent this number? So first work I told you what? First work you have to think this number is lying between which two number. You have to check. First work, whatever the number you are having, is it of 2 decimal places, is it of 3 decimal places, 4 decimal places, 1 decimal place, whatever the number, first work you have to think the given number is lying between which two whole numbers. So clearly we can tell 3.8 is lying between which two numbers? This 3, and after 3 it will come what? 4. So 3.81 is lying between 3 and 4. So now we have to show the distance between 3 and 4 only. Clear? So here 3, suppose here 4, arrow. Clear? जहां पे 3 और 4 के बीच में लाई कर रहा है तो हमको बस 3 और 4 के बीच में डिस्टेंस को हमको लेके काम करना पड़ेगा. सो नाउ व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट स्टेप? वी हैव टू डिवाइड द डिस्टेंस 3 to 4 into 10 इक्वल पार्ट्स. 3 से लेके 4 का बीच में जो डिस्टेंस है, अब उसको कितना पार्ट्स करना पड़ेगा? 10 इक्वल पार्ट्स करना पड़ेगा. नाउ टू मेक 10 इक्वल पार्ट्स, हाउ मेनी टाइम्स वी हैव टू कट? 9 टाइम्स. सो डू इट. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Suppose here is 4. Then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 times you have cut. And now first one after 3, first step will be what? For after 3, first step will be what? 3.1. Next one will be 3.2. Next one 3.3. Then 3.4, 3.5, 3.6. Okay, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9, and 3.9 means after 3.9 it will come 4. Clear? So have we got 3.81? Have we got it? No, still not. अभी तक हमको नहीं मिला 3.81, हमको बस 3.8 मिला. 3.8 मिला, but 3.81 नहीं मिला अभी तक. Now we have to check that 3.81 is lying between which two numbers, which two decimal numbers. From this number line we have to check this number 3.81 is lying between which two decimal numbers. ये चेक करना पड़ेगा कि now clearly we can tell 3.81 will come after 3.8. 3.81 3.81 will come after 3.8. Clear? So that means 3.81 is lying between 3.8 and 3.9. Clear? This 3.81 is lying between 3.8 and 3.9. How do you understand? How do you check it? So first of all, you have to check you are having 3.81. Okay, 3.81. So now clearly we can tell 3.81 is greater than 3.8. So that means 3.81 will be just next of 3.8. Wherever here 3.80, you can tell 3.80, then 3.81, then this number will be just after 3.80. And you can tell this number 3.81 is lying between 3.80 and 3.9. That means now you are telling this 3.81 is lying between 3.8 and 3.9. Finally we are telling this 3.81 is lying between 3.8 and 3.9. And where is 3.8 and 3.9? This one. अभी तक नहीं मिला, बस हम इसको मार्क किए हैं कि मेरा जो 3.81 है बस ये दोनों के बीच में ही कहीं है. ये हमको पता लग गया कि ये नंबर 3.81 जो है वो इस दोनों नंबर के बीच में है, कहीं पे भी हो सकता है. अब हम क्या करेंगे, अब हम लिखेंगे नाउ 3.81 is lying between 3.8 and 3.9. Clear? 3.8 and 3.9. Clear? Now अब क्या करना पड़ेगा, सेम स्टेप जैसे यहाँ पे किए थे. Now we have to take the distance from 3.8 to 3.9. Suppose this one 3.8 and this one 3.9. अब यही डिस्टेंस को लेके काम कर रहे हैं. देखो जहां पे जिस दोनों नंबर के बीच में लाई कर रहा है, अब उसी दोनों नंबर को लिए हैं, ये 3.8 3.9. अब ये डिस्टेंस को कितना टाइम्स कितना पार्ट्स करेंगे, 10 इक्वल पार्ट्स, फिर 10 इक्वल पार्ट्स. ओके, नाउ टू मेक 10 इक्वल पार्ट्स हाउ मेनी टाइम्स यू हैव टू कट इट, 9 टाइम्स. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 times you have cut it. Now first one, suppose this one is 3.8. After 3.8, first one will be what, 3.81. Then this one will be 3.82. This one will be 3.83. This one 3.84. This one 3.85. Are you getting my point? I am doing it. Again I am doing. Try to understand. Again I am doing. Try to understand. This one 3.8. So this one will be 3.81. And after this one 3.82. After this one 3.83. After this one 3.84. Now we are changing what? Second digit. After the point second digit we are changing. Okay? Here second digit 1, here second digit what, 0. So here second digit 1 2 3 4 और बाकी बात सारा डिजिट सेम रहेगा, सारा डिजिट सेम. क्लियर? सो दिस वन विल बी 3.85, 3.86, 3.87, 3.88, 3.89, then 3.9. क्लियर? 3.89, दैट मीन्स इसके बाद क्या आएगा 3.89, इसके बाद क्या आएगा 3.89, 3.89 दैट मीन्स 3.90. 3.90 तो यही तो है, इसमें अगर 0 लगा दोगे तो वही तो है 3.9. आई बात समझ में? So now you have to check where is 3.81. Here it is 3.81. Now you have to mark it. So actually 3.81 is lying between which two whole numbers, which two decimal numbers, 3.8 and 3.9. and this is the way to represent two decimal places number on the number line. And whenever you will have three decimal places, suppose 3.81, suppose 2, then you have to do next steps also. क्लियर? दैट मीन्स सबसे पहले 1 डेसिमल प्लेस के लिए दिखा दिए, तब यहाँ पे मिल गया मुझे सपोज ये नंबर को 3.812 वी हैव टू रिप्रेजेंट. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल चेक 3.8 is lying between, this number is lying between which two numbers? Clearly 3.8 and 3.9 के बीच में आएगा. Now you have to check 3.81 is lying between which two whole numbers? Okay, then we have to find out 3.812 stepwise. But in this class, in class 7 and 8 or 6 also, you will not have this type of example, because this type of example you will have in the senior classes, and this one also you will have senior classes. In the examination you may have only one digit number, and most it is very low chances to have this type of question in your exam, that means two decimal places. Okay, बहुत कम chances है ये एग्जाम में आने का, लेकिन एग्जाम में नहीं आएगा इसका मतलब सीखेंगे नहीं, ये बात नहीं है, सीखना जरूरी है. क्लियर? सो दिस आर द रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ द डेसिमल नंबर ऑन द नंबर लाइन, एंड in the next class we will see further things on the mathematics subject. And thank you for watching my video.